Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a resume on LinkedIn. Let's get started. Once you reach your LinkedIn profile, the first thing that you want to do is go to the top of the screen and you click on the Me drop-down option. So after doing so, you're going to go to Account. Now under Account, you're going to see an option which says Settings and Privacy. So you're going to click on that. You will then be greeted by this page which says Settings. Now under Settings, you'll see a heading called Data Privacy. Now after clicking on Data Privacy, you're going to scroll all the way down and you'll see a heading called Job Seeking Preferences. Now under Job Seeking Preferences, you'll see options like Job Application Settings, Share Your Profile when you click Apply for a Job. So we're going to click on Job Application Settings. You will then be greeted by this page which says Resumes and Application Data. Allow LinkedIn to save your resumes and answers to application questions. You could either leave this on or switch it off. It's your choice. And here it says recruiters can view skills and experiences from your saved resumes when they search and view profiles. Again, you can leave it on or switch it off. So if you want to upload your resume, you'll see an option which says Upload Resume. So the only files that you can upload is a doc file, docx file, PDF, and it has to be under 5 megabytes. So we're going to click on Upload Resume. So after clicking on Upload Resume, you're going to look for your resume and then upload it. So I'll use this file, for example, and then press Open. You'll notice that it says Uploaded on this date, and there are other options that you can do if you press these 3 dots. You could choose to either delete it or download it. And there you have it. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.